I recommend Trade Mastermind to anybody. It is 10 times increase on the profitability. So my business has been operating for the last 14 years. I don't think I was growing it in the right way. In December, I started Trade Mastermind with the idea of I need to grow the business back up, but I need to do it in the right way. My turnover at the time yearly was, I got up to 600,000. So with the help of Trade Mastermind, I've got to where I am now. I've improved my profit margins from 4% to 31% net profits. Yeah, 4%. So about £24,000 a year. I would have probably been better off working for British Gas. Well, I'm projecting a turnover and profit of about £700,000 this year if we carry on going the way we're going, which will give me obviously a 30% yield on that, 200,000. It is 10 times increase on the profitability. So before I was busy chasing people and trying to get my staff to do the right thing, and now I'm actually busy creating work for my staff, literally just about to come off the tools completely. All I do is the occasional gas safe at the moment. I recommend Trade Mastermind to anybody. It gives you that grounding, that financial initiative and approach in order to focus on the right things for your business in order for your business to succeed.